Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you the Emergence plugin. So first I'm going to show you the Emergence overlay, and then I'm going to show you some of the methods that you can use to interact with smart contracts. So first I'm going to open the overlay. We have a little onboarding, so talking about your digital identity, how it's going to interact with the blockchain, and then what the benefits are obviously to the player. So now we can connect our wallet. So this uses Wallet Connect. I'm using MetaMask for my wallet, so I'm just scanning the QR code, pressing connect to this site, sign the token, and now it's going to load in my personas. So these are some of the personas I have already. So I've got Christopher, and I've got other ones for other games and sort of, different avatars on each one. So I can create a new one. So if I click on the plus, I can select a avatar. So these avatars are chosen by the game designer. So here we have we've just put in some examples of what they could be. The game designers are able to upload avatars which are basically from the game that you're playing, and then players can pick either an avatar from the game that they're playing right now, or any game that they've previously played that uses Emergence. So I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to fill out the persona information, so it needs a name. I'm going to call it Test Man, and I'm going to give it a bio. And I can set my privacy settings. Is this persona going to be available to be searched by other people using Emergence? Do I want to receive contact requests on this persona, and do I want to show my status whilst I'm using this persona? And obviously you can change these later. So now I'm going to click Create Persona. Are you sure? Yes. And now it will show it as my currently active persona. So, and I can switch these to a different one by just clicking activate here. And you can obviously edit and delete your personas as well, so I'll just show you that. Edit. And delete. But I don't want to delete it. So if we close that, I'll show you the smart contract capabilities of Emergence. So here we've actually loaded in a CryptoPunk, and we've read this off of the blockchain, and we're literally reading the smart contract and pulled the avatar into the game, so you can see what it looks like. And also, not only can we read from smart contracts, but we can also write to smart contracts. So over here I can go to my terminal, and if I press E whilst looking at this, it's going to send a thing to allow me to mint a NFT to my phone. And if I open up Wallet Connect, I get this message, and if I accept this, I can mint an NFT. So with Emergence, you can write to ERC20s, ERC721s, ERC115s, any smart contract that uses EVM read and write methods, you can use this with. Obviously, as you can imagine, this makes it very powerful for game developers. So for example, you can have this running on both the client and the server. So when your client needs to find out which NFTs it owns, it can check the blockchain, and when the server needs to verify that the client owns those NFTs for whatever reason, it can also check the blockchain. So in later versions, we're planning on adding an inventory service, which will allow players to see their NFTs within the Emergence overlay. We're planning on adding tribes, which will add a social element to Emergence. We're also looking to our community for suggestions on what we should add to Emergence. Thank you for listening.